Dollar General penny shopping. So these were my penny finds for today. Okay, so the plug-in, I used a coupon. It was like some change. I forgot how much it cost. It was a little bit. Anywho, the Sonic drinks, those were a penny. Those pennied out during the summer. Okay, or the summer items that pennied out. The pepperoni, you're looking for the turkey ones. Those pennied second wave today. All right. So this store pennied out this morning. And all they had was the pepperoni. I scanned the entire fridge. Okay. So I hope you guys scored. Let me know what you found today. Happy Monday.